If you want to win in binary option, there is one rule that separates winner from everyone else, and that is candlestick psychology. In this video, I'm going to take real trades based on it, breaking it down step by step, and honestly, no one is explaining in this level. In this particular chart, I'm not hesitating. I'm entering a put trade right at the candle's opening, and yes, I'm backing it up with my marginal safety entry as well with multiple put entry. Why? Because I have one clear confirmation, and that is candlestick psychology. I'm reading exactly what the candle is telling me, and trust me, this alone is one of the most powerful edge that you can have in the market. Even though this candle is forming as a green one initially, but I'm confident that it's going to close as a red. That's why I have backed my trades with my marginal safety multiple put entries position, and there it is. I am getting the exact reaction from this particular candle, and look at that. This candle is exactly giving me the same reaction. That means sellers are active, and proving the power of reading candlestick psychology correctly, this should be a winning trade. Let's see how this candle closes, and just as I anticipated, this closed as a red one, turning all my trades into profit. The logic behind taking this put entry is very simple. The green candle was weak in compared to the next red candle, which is why I took a put entry, and that was a winning trade. Binary trading might look complex, but once you understand the simple story candles are telling, it becomes much clearer. And now let's move on to our next currency pair. Using the same candlestick logic, I'm taking back-to-back put entries on this chart, and this looks a very clean and direct setup to me. Let's see how this candle closes. According to my analysis, this should be a winning trade. The logic is very simple. You see there's a lot of red candles going on, and after the red candle, the second last red candle, one more red candle was formed, which is a very strong red candle compared to the previous red candle, which tells me that sellers are still active and the next target of the market is yet to be fulfilled. That is the reversal point, which is also known as a very strong support area. There makes enough room for me to take a put entry and candle formation. If I have to mark it with a rectangular box, that would be somewhere around this level. Let me pinpoint for you so that it'll be very easy for you to understand. And yes, this one, this will now act as a very strong support area. So there was plenty of room for me to take a put entry, and this is a winning trade. However, because of my trade timing, this has moved to 2 minute time frame. Nevertheless, this should be a winning trade as well because my entry is perfect and the candle has formed exactly as I anticipated. Because of my entry timing, this trade has extended a bit, but notice how this green candle couldn't even reach to my entry level because my entry point is perfect. And even if the market prints a small green candle in the middle of a seller's loop, the next target is clear, that the green horizontal level which I have marked. And yes, this is a winning trade, and I took total of 6 to 7 trades, and all of them are direct win. These all are my trades. I hope you understand this video how you can incorporate candlestick psychology while trading in pocket option. I'll come back with another powerful video, and yes, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Link is mentioned down below. With that, signing off for today. Happy trading.